Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of machine HemoPro Hemoglobin meter. As you can see, this is the front and this is the top view of the kit. You can see this is the machine HemoPro Hemoglobin meter. You can see the content of the machine is there is one hemoglobin meter, then there is battery, the USB micro cable, then we have the user manual. So then we can see this is the in vitro diagnostic use only. So let me show you the sides of the machine. So as you can see, this is the machine HemoPro hemoglobin meter. You can see the reference number here, C1133021-201. Then you can see all these other details here, the lot number, the manufacturing address, so it's present over here. So as you can see, it has an optimal temperature of minus 20 to 55 degrees Celsius. It's a IVD product. So let me show you the other side of it. So guys, now let us open this kit. So as you can see on the top, we have the user manual for the HemoPro hemoglobin meter. You can see this is the user manual. And then we have a sponge for giving the required support for the machine. And then we have the HemoPro hemoglobin meter. As you can see, this is very handy to use. It's very compactable, very handy to use. So this is the hemoglobin meter. So let me show you the details. You can see this is the machine HemoPro hemoglobin meter, and you can see it is made in 1 for China. This is about that. And then we do have a couple of other accessories, like there is a standard 4 AA batteries given. Then we have the USB power cable. Then we have the USB power cable, and as you can see, the entire box is well cushioned, for better logistics and support for the meter. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of Acon machine HemoPro hemoglobin meter. As you can see, the kit comes with the Acon machine HemoPro hemoglobin meter. Then we have the user manual. Then there are 4 standard AAA batteries given. Then we have the user cable and the support cushions. So this is the entire unboxing of Acon machine HemoPro hemoglobin meter. Thank you.